If you're looking into Restructured, Kolena AI, and want to know the 7 crucial things before diving in, this is the only review you need. And trust me, what I found might surprise you. Stick around because what Kolena is doing with AI workflows is miles ahead of most of what's out there. You can try Kolena AI for completely free using the first link below. And if you're in marketing, product dev, or data science, the way this tool tackles model evaluation and testing is going to change the way you think about AI quality assurance. But there's one thing most people don't realize until it's too late, so don't miss that part coming up. So let's break this down. First, Kolena isn't trying to be another train a model in 5 clicks tool. It's laser focused on evaluating and testing models across real-world edge cases. That means it's not just about accuracy on paper, it's about performance in the wild. Whether you're running a computer vision model or working with NLP, Kolena helps you pinpoint exactly where things are breaking down and why. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can import existing models, data sets, and even integrate with tools like weights and biases, or Hugging Face. You're not locked into their ecosystem. That flexibility? Rare. Especially for new AI platforms. Another standout, structured test cases. You don't just get a wall of metrics. Kolena helps you build intentional, test case-based evaluations, which means no more accuracy is 90%, so it must be good nonsense. You'll know what is failing and where. That's a game changer for teams shipping real AI products. Now, if you're on a team with multiple stakeholders, PMs, engineers, execs, Kolena's collaboration tools are surprisingly smooth. Think GitHub-style workflows, but for AI testing. Notes, approvals, changes, all in one place. It brings much-needed transparency to model deployment decisions. Also, version control. You can track the evolution of your model's performance over time across test scenarios. It's like having a time machine for your ML models. And yes, this can save you from shipping a version that performs worse than the last, which happens more often than most people admit. One of the biggest reasons Restructured, Kolena AI, stands out right now is that it's coming at the perfect time. Everyone's building AI, but few are seriously testing it. Kolena fills that gap. And if you're already scaling AI projects, not using something like this is probably costing you way more than you realize, in both trust and outcomes. Quick heads up, it's still early days, and while the UI is intuitive, there's a bit of a learning curve if you're totally new to ML workflows. But honestly, that's a good thing. Tools that are too simple usually don't scale. Kolena hits a sweet spot between usability and depth. So, if you're serious about reliable, explainable AI performance, I'd absolutely recommend trying Restructured, Kolena AI now. The free version is generous, and it gives you enough runway to see how powerful this software is. And hey, if you want to explore even more of the best AI software I've tested after trying thousands of tools, check the description. I've listed my top picks, and you can try every single one of them for free. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.